Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're at CountertopGuide.com, and today we're in the kitchen. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest-rated indoor pizza maker machines or ovens. Pizza is a crowd favorite, but preparing one at home with a conventional oven is quite challenging and tedious with the long waiting hours and large energy consumption. Luckily, indoor pizza maker machines or ovens are specifically made to help people cook pizzas evenly and quickly. Plus, they're smaller, more compact, and easier to use. In this video, we'll be showing you the 7 best indoor pizza maker machines and ovens we've found to help you find the right product for your kitchen. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the indoor pizza maker machines or ovens that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first indoor pizza maker machine or oven on our list is the Giantex Pizza Bake Oven. This electric pizza oven is built with a heavy-gauge brushed stainless steel outer case and corrosion-resistant aluminized steel internal case that can withstand heavy-duty use for a long time. Measuring 18.89 by 15.74 by 7.36 inches, it's ideal as a countertop appliance for home kitchens and office pantries. It can also fit a 12-inch pizza and bake within 8 to 12 minutes, perfect for serving families and friends during simple dinner parties and gatherings. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Giantex Pizza Bake Oven a 3-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Auto shutoff feature. This pizza maker machine has a 30-minute timer with an auto shutoff feature after its set baking time. This feature also works whenever the oven's temperature is too high to prevent pizzas from burning. Anti-slip feet and insulated handles. Its feet were designed with an anti-slip design to keep the oven stable on countertops. Plus, its handles are insulated to keep your hands safe. Dual heating elements. Built with dual heating elements, it ensures that pizzas are baked evenly. Easy to clean. Since its baking rack and crumb tray are retractable, cleaning the oven is quick and easy. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it is a bit pricey. The oven costs a bit more than the other pizza maker machines, but its uniform heating distribution and other features make it a bang for the buck. The second indoor pizza maker machine or oven on our list is the Presto Pizzazz Plus Rotating Countertop Oven. Designed with a rotating tray between the top and bottom heating elements, this pizza maker machine boasts a unique mechanism to bake pizzas to perfection. It takes up less countertop space with its dimensions of 15.37 by 10.50 by 14.50 inches, and it saves up to 60% of energy consumption than most ovens in the market. Aside from having the capacity to fit pizzas between 7 to 12 inches, you can use it to cook nuggets, fillets, cookies, and your favorite treats. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Presto Pizzazz Plus Rotating Countertop Oven a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Non-stick tray. The unit's rotating tray is non-stick, which makes cleaning a breeze. Versatile appliance. You can use this versatile pizza maker machine for a wide variety of cuisines, including cookies, cinnamon rolls, pizza rolls, and many more. Rotating tray cooks your pizza evenly. Thanks to its rotating tray, heat is distributed to pizzas uniformly, resulting in an evenly baked pizza. Its heating elements can be regulated, helping you prevent having a burnt crust and uncooked toppings. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is less heat than conventional ovens. Since it's not enclosed, this machine may produce less heat than a conventional oven. The third indoor pizza maker machine or oven on our list is the Kalorik Red High Heat Stone Pizza Oven. The machine will make your pizza taste like it's baked from a brick oven with its dual heating elements and built-in baking stone. Made from stainless steel and measuring 14.4 by 13.8 by 6.5 inches, it can bake a 12-inch pizza of various styles, from thin crust to deep dish ones. Plus, it has a temperature control of up to 625 degrees Fahrenheit and a preheating function to distribute heat evenly for a shorter baking time. TrustedShoppingGuide.com is aware the Kalorik Red High Heat Stone Pizza Oven a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. This oven heats up quickly, and you can expect it to cook your favorite pizza within 15 minutes. It has a large glass viewing window to help you monitor your pizza's cooking process without having to open its lid. Easy to clean. The unit is easy to clean because the baking stone is removable. Works with different crust styles. This machine can accommodate various pizza crust styles, making this suitable for those who wish to explore more recipes. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it takes a learning curve to get the hang of how this machine works. Still, it works remarkably well once you get used to its heating pattern. The fourth indoor pizza maker machine or oven on our list is the Professional Series Pizza Oven Baker and Oven. With its dimensions of 8 by 17 by 19 inches, this oven can cook a 12-inch pizza for 8 to 12 minutes at 430 to 460 degrees Fahrenheit. Given its small size, our team finds this excellent for dorm rooms and small apartments or RV kitchens. It's structured from high-quality stainless steel and dual heating elements, and its 30-minute timer and adjustable heat control help allow you to regulate heat conveniently. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Professional Series Pizza Oven Baker and Oven a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. No preheating needed. This oven heats up quickly so you don't have to preheat it before baking. Cooks pizzas quickly. Since it heats up quickly, it takes less than 12 minutes to cook a 12-inch pizza, which is considerably faster than its competitors. Insulated handle. It's built with an insulated handle to protect your hands from burning. Removable crumb tray. Its crumb tray is removable, which helps you maintain the oven's cleanliness conveniently. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is you may have to rotate the pizza from time to time while it bakes to prevent it from burning because of the oven's high heat. The fifth indoor pizza maker machine on our list is the Courant pizza maker. This machine features a double-sided design with non-stick pans on both ends that assures you of crispy yet tender pizza in less than 15 minutes. It can fit a 12-inch pizza measuring around 14.96 by 12.99 by 4.72 inches, plus it includes a temperature control that can be set between 355 to 410 degrees Fahrenheit. Its functionality isn't limited to baking your favorite pizza because you can also use this unit to make quesadillas, cookies, nachos, and more delicacies. TrustedShoppingGuide.com is awarded the Courant pizza maker a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 30-minute timer with auto shutoff function. This machine has a 30-minute timer with an auto shutoff feature to help prevent burning food. It doubles as a griller as you can open both of its sides to 180 degrees, making this product a versatile appliance. Small and compact. Unlike other products, this pizza maker is small and compact and can even stand upright for convenient storage. Cool touch handle. Its handles stay cool as a part of its safety feature. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is its cable wire is quite short, so make sure to place this appliance near a plug to prevent inconveniences while cooking. The sixth indoor pizza maker machine or oven on our list is the Goplus stainless steel pizza oven. Built from stainless and aluminized steel, this product measures 19 by 16 by 7.5 inches. It does not require preheating and can cook your 12-inch pizza in less than 15 minutes, with its dual backing elements that distribute heat evenly. It's also easy to clean with its removable crumb tray, and it has a heat-proof handle for safety. You can use this oven at home or commercially for your small business with its large capacity and quick heating capability. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Goplus stainless steel pizza oven a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: foldable cool touch handle. Not only is its handle heat-proof, but it's also foldable to help save a bit of your countertop space when not in use. High-quality build. Apart from being durable, the oven's high-quality stainless steel construction is also sleek that adds elegance to kitchens. No preheating needed. It heats up quickly so you don't have to preheat the oven before baking, which helps you save a lot of time. Timer with auto shutoff feature. The oven is equipped with a 30-minute timer that automatically shuts off when the set timer is completed or when the oven's temperature is too high. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is its housing heats up after a while, which can make your kitchen a bit warm while baking. The seventh indoor pizza maker machine or oven on our list is the Commercial Chef Pizza Maker. This machine can accommodate up to 12 inches of frozen and fresh dough pizzas up to 1.5 inches thick. Designed with dual non-stick plates, it ensures that your dough and toppings are evenly cooked. Its temperature can be adjusted between 77 to 401 degrees Fahrenheit, and you can use it for various recipes, including quesadillas, flatbreads, quiches, and many more. In terms of size, it measures 7 by 15.3 by 13.4 inches and is small and compact for countertops and storage. TrustedShoppingGuide.com is awarded the Commercial Chef Pizza Maker a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: light indicators. It's equipped with indicator lights that help you monitor the unit's temperature easily. Non-stick plates. The plates are non-stick, helping you clean residues quickly. Multifunctional. Aside from pizza, this oven can also be used to prepare other cuisines, expanding your menu options. Practical and affordable. It's considerably cheaper than its competitors. Plus, it has quality features which make it the most practical option you can find in the market. Keeping all that in mind, the things you should know before you buy the product are: the temperature control is not specific. Unlike other ovens, it does not have a specific temperature indicator. The plates are not removable. Cleaning can be a bit challenging because you won't have the option of removing the plates. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated indoor pizza maker machines or ovens, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next indoor pizza maker machine or oven roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.